I have spread the red lentil dal on 4 trays that I've lined with parchment, and I'm going to dehydrate them at 130 degrees. And I'm going to keep rotating the trays every hour or so they get even drying. And I'll let you know how long I do it for. Well, it took 9 hours, but I'm just going to let it cool before I put it into jars. This is a packaged dehydrated meal of the red lentil dal and dehydrated rice. One of the ones that I'll be taking away when I go away for vacation. And I'm going to show you exactly how that works. So in the package is 1/3 of dehydrated rice. So I'm going to put that amount in here. And 1/3 of a cup of the dehydrated red lentil dal. I'm going to add 2/3 of a cup of boiling water. And give that a little stir. Do up my thermos. And I'm going to let that sit. It's been sitting for about 8 minutes. It is quite thick, but it is all rehydrated. Now, if you want it a little thinner like I do, I add more water. So this is with 1 cup of water. So this is my preference. So I use 1/3 of a cup of the dal, 1/3 cup of the dehydrated rice, and 1 cup of boiling water. Supper time. So this is just one of the dehydrated meals I make when I'm going away on vacation.